Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize setting up Duo MFA for server logins step by step clearly. To begin setting up Duo MFA for server logins, access your server using remote desktop or SSH. Ensure you have administrative privileges to make the required changes. Start by logging into your Duo admin panel. Navigate to the Applications section in the left, click on the Protect an Application button. Find and select the Microsoft RDP option, or the application relevant to your server type. Make a note of the integration key, secret key, and API hostname provided. Next, install the Duo Unix package on your server. For Ubuntu, use the command sudo apt-get install Duo Unix. For CentOS, use the command sudo yum install Duo Unix. After installation, locate the Duo configuration file, usually found at /etc/duo/login_duo.conf. Edit the configuration file using a text editor, like Nano or Six. In the configuration file, input your integration key, secret key, and API hostname. Ensure that the push option is enabled for notifications. Next, specify the command for the Duo authentication method. Save the changes in the configuration file and exit the text editor. Now, configure PAM to use Duo by editing the /etc/pam.d/sshd file. Add the line, auth required pam_duo.so at the top of the file. This ensures Duo will prompt for authentication when logging in. Then, open your SSH configuration file at /etc/ssh/sshd_config. Find the line that starts with challenge response authentication. Set it to yes if it is not already. Save and close the SSH configuration file. After making these changes, restart the SSH service to apply the new settings. On Ubuntu, use the command sudo systemcll restart SSH. On CentOS, the command is sudo systemcll restart SSHD. To test the new setup, attempt to log into your server using SSH. After entering your username and password, you should receive a Duo prompt for authentication. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.